water.
While you're doing that, test it?
Yeah, test it, and to just clean the line too and everything. Just make sure everything's all nicely working. It's just, you know, you've got to test it beforehand.
Cool.
Isn't that cool? All that stuff blowing out of there.
From the back of the
Yeah.
Oh, so what's pushing it? Where's the power come from?
Well, I'm using the battery here, right?
Where's the motor for it? How does it run? Oh yeah, it's in the back. The electric motor.
Yeah.
Does it hook up to your car battery?
Well, yeah, that's what I'm gonna have it on. But there's a little float in the back here that tells me the level. So I got all that wire. Look how clean it is too. That's all. You can't even see where any of the stuff goes.
Yep, pretty good.
Yep. There's no
factory grade.
No leaks. Yeah, it all runs around this and then down through a grommet down in there.
It's pretty cool.
Yep. It is. Look at that. Real easy to fill. Actually, you can see the top of the float in there. It hasn't gone down yet. See it?
It's easier just looking through your phone.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, see the float in there?
Yeah.
So it's kind of at the level. It's about ready to run low. I'm going to just run it out.
That's water.
Yeah, it's just regular water. This beeper's getting kind of annoying, so... But I actually want to see it turn off. Like, it should start to go down now.
When you run the water all the way through?
Yeah. And then that guy should... It's on full continuity right now.
You filming all this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just cut it if I don't like it. Notice you can just see the nozzle. It's got a nice spray pattern to it.
Yep. It's like a little... Pretty cool.
Yeah. Come on, we're just going to run out.
Nice calm sound.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you won't be able to hear that over the motor. Yep. See, I'm out.
What's that mean?
Well, see that turned off? Basically, that's going to tell my computer, I'm going to program the thing in there to not allow me to run boost when I run out of this stuff. So, that's it.
Alright, cool.
Good video.